¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We are looking at a few Black Friday sales here coming up pretty soon. It is Wednesday, so happy Thanksgiving. Maybe you guys are not into, getting into the store, fighting people. Recently, you guys saw what happened in the news in Walmart. It's very unfortunate, especially right before the holiday season. So, anyways, let's just look at a few sales here, stuff that I've been using on my own bike, and some of you guys were wondering, have been asking, should I get this, should I get that? Here's a few sales for, some of the parts I've used on the Lowrider S. Of course, these are highly recommended. We have a few generic sales here from Cycle Gear and Revzilla. They have 70% off on some of their goods. They have some pretty good deals on some retro style helmets right here. The Belt Eliminator helmet, I like that one. I think I featured that one on the channel before. Of course, they have some some riding gear, kind of like what I have right now. A little bit of a flannel, and I'm definitely going to be picking up some gloves, probably from Revzilla. So look at this one. This one just kind of caught my eye right here. That's a good looking helmet. Oh wow, it's blue on the other side too. Nice paint job. This is the Bell Bullet. Not one of the best helmets, but unique. Looks unique. Looks nice. So yes, I will be buying some gloves this Black Friday sale. I have pretty much everything. I'm not gonna be buying a lot. I already bought some stuff from GoPro, so let's go ahead and look at GoPro real quick. If you're motovlogging, or if you know someone that motovlogs, GoPro's having a pretty good sale right now, especially if you already have the GoPro subscription, kind of like myself. So you get 15% off the entire website, all the accessories, batteries, mounts, a lot of good stuff here, guys. Even the cameras, you get $100 discounts. You also get, on top of the 15%, if you have the GoPro subscription, you also get a massive discount on the cameras. So the GoPro Mini is actually retailed for about, I think it's like under $300. So you get all of these, of course, plus you get a little bit more of a discount with your GoPro subscription. So yes, there's plenty of goods here, guys. I actually ordered a new remote, so we'll see how this one compares to the first one I got. The first one was complete garbage, of course. You also have the mods. That's on sale. You have the microphone adapter. That's also on sale. And yeah, everything's on sale. If you're wondering about the max lens mod, it's also on sale. I wouldn't recommend getting it because it lowers your resolution. But if you want horizon lock and you want that super view point of view, then I guess this is it. But yes, these are on sale. I got this for about, I think, a little bit under $33 with the subscription. Get two Enduro batteries. That's for the Hero 9, 10, and 11. So if you're out there and you motovlog, or you know someone that motovlogs, a family member, a loved one, you don't know what to get them, hey, get them a couple batteries. That's always nice. So I also have Dixon flannel here too. They haven't really shown anything. I know I spoke about them like 2 years ago, but keep an eye out for Dixon. They haven't shown anything or promoted anything recently, so maybe we might hear something from them on Friday, Black Friday. Maybe they'll have some kind of a discount, but they have some really good looking flannels. Of course, I got a lot of these already because I picked them up during other holiday sales. So some of these typically would go down to like $40 or $30, and it's always good to kind of pick these up because yeah, they're really nice. So yes, just keep an eye out on Dixon. Maybe they might have something pop up on Friday, something like that. So we spoke about GoPro, spoke about Revzilla. I'll show a few items of Revzilla too, but we also have Plex Audio. All right, I've already recommended them quite a bit. They have the marine grade right here for under $1,000. That's a huge discount, guys. If you're on the fence of getting audio for your bike, this is the time to do it. I got mine for more than that amount, and yeah, $749. That's a huge discount, especially the marine grade. I think I would recommend everybody to get the marine grade. So yes, these are huge discounts. If you out there and you're wondering about buying it, now's the time to do it. This is a good discount for a great product right here at Plex Audio. Let's go ahead and look at another favorite product of mine, and that's the Leather Pros. Of course, you get a 16% discount on these. I'm a huge fan of these saddlebags. They're great, top quality, made in America, great detach, and they look good too. So if you're if you want some extra storage capacity, a lot of the people that own lowrider STs, they actually make the switch from the Sport Glide saddlebags to this because of the capacity. I've already spoke about the Sport Glide saddlebags. They don't hold much, they look good, but if you want that extra capacity, this is where it's at. It's the Leather Pros. They carry a massive amount, and they expand as well, and they're quick detach, and they look good. The gap between the fender and the saddlebag is not bad at all. It looks good, guys. But they have a 16% discount. I believe they have shipping charges, so I'm not too sure. It's just, overall it's a discount. So if you're on the fence and you're wondering, now's the time to get it. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at Revzilla. Of course, I have a few items. This is their riding gear. I'm not gonna go into all the details, but you guys could just kind of skim through it as well. They have a lot of good discounts on riding gear. A lot of this stuff looks good. I have quite a bit of riding gear, but like I said, I'll probably pick up a jacket maybe because it's really cold, and I'll probably pick up some gloves, and that's about it. I already have like 5 helmets, so we'll see what happens. Here it is again, the bell eliminator. This is, like I said, man, the retro helmet's pretty cool. You have some showies as well. They have the iconic RF 1400. I saw it earlier when I was looking through here. They also have that on a discount. A great helmet, probably the best available out there. But a ton of riding gear. And if you know anybody, just if they might need something, maybe winter, they don't have a lot of winter gear or anything like that, maybe now's the time to get it on sale. Save a couple bucks. All right, let's move on to the last one here. Speed Kings, they also have another sale, 15% off on selected items, which is pretty neat. You have Lexan, which is a communication device, Bluetooth communication, comms unit, whatever you want to call it. They have a few other discounts you guys can see right here. 10% off the entire website. Of course, not as good as probably Revzilla or one of those bigger companies, but this is the entire website. I don't think Revzilla has that. I think they have it on selected items, 70% up to 70% off. So if there's something you can't find on Revzilla, then you could come on over here and buy it on Speed Kings. But I believe they do charge for shipping, so it's not it's not the same as Revzilla. You just have to calculate the shipping costs, the discounts, and where you're gonna get your best deal. So they have a lot of handlebar bags right here. I have one on my Sportster. I really like it. That's where I carry a lot of my tools. So they have a 15% discount on these bar bags. So I have a lot of discounts right now. All right, you guys stay out there, stay safe. If you're looking to spend a little bit of coin right now on your build, on your Motovlog setup, now's the time to do it. All right, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching yet another video. Get out there, get these deals, save that money, and ride safe. Later.